This is just a quick demonstration of how to shim a punch in a large station thick turret holder. So if you've got an old thick turret holder that has no adjustability, when you sharpen your punches, in a lot of cases you need to account for that length, and the only way to do that is to add a shim into the holder here. So to start with, you've got to remove the stripper plate so you can get the stripper ring out of the place, and then back off the draw bolt all the way so that you can remove the punch, and then take your shim, place it in there, and you'll see that it sits in there and it fits around the key in there, and then you put the punch back in on top of that shim. Make sure that you're engaged onto that key properly, and then tighten the draw bolt and reinstall the stripper plate. You do need to be careful when you're doing that you don't shim too much, because the key, as you're shimming the punch, you're starting to lose engagement of that key. So if you put too much shim in there, now the punch doesn't engage that key anymore, so you have to be careful about that. But otherwise, it's really a pretty simple process. Just drop the shim in and put the punch back in on top of it.